Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am finally going on a holiday and I'm quite excited to take y'all along with me. So the first thing which I'm going to do now is I'm going to pack my bags. I've reached the airport and we have checked in. Now we are waiting to board the flight. Hi guys, so we have reached the hotel and we have checked in. Now we are going to the beach. We have left for the beach and now we are sitting in the train. We will reach there in about 20 more minutes. We have reached the beach and the view is so good. This beach is called Bellevue Beach, and it is really pretty. Wait, let me just. We are chilling on the sand and enjoying the view and the weather. The weather is very lovely right now, and the view is also awesome. I really enjoyed the beach. You can see it in the background. It was so good. Here are my friends taking some pictures. We just left from the beach and it started to get really cold. That's why I'm wearing my jacket. We are now at a place called Hafen, and it's such a beautiful place. You can see it right there. You can see those colorful buildings. This is the speciality of this area. It is very late in the night, so we have come to McDonald's to pick up some food to eat because all the restaurants over here are closed. Hi guys, it's late in the night and we have come out to one churros shop, and we are going to try caramel churros. Let's see how it is. Lovely, very tasty, perfect amount of salt, perfect amount of caramel, and everything just tastes very good. I like it. Hotel right now, and I am very tired. I will just go and have a bath and go off to sleep. So, a lot of you must be wondering why I have come to this trip to Denmark. One of the main reasons is that my friends are going to get married, and they are going to get married tomorrow. Hi guys, so it is the next day, and today is actually the wedding day. That's why I'm wearing this kurta and the jhumkas. So now the bride and the groom have gone in for their verification, and they will come out in some time, and then the ceremonies will start. The wedding is over now, and again the bride and groom are doing some legal process, and they will be out in some time. I forgot to show you what I'm wearing today. So I'm wearing these nice jhumkas and this full neck embroidered kurta and leggings. So the bride and groom has come out.
Hello.
Congratulations!
Thank you very much.
We have changed and we have come to an Indian restaurant now to eat our lunch. This place is called Urban. Oh, this place is called Urban Indian. We have just finished our lunch, and everyone is so full, and the food was very tasty. Now we have come to one place called Canal Tours Copenhagen, wherein we are sitting in a boat, and it is going to cover all the places in Copenhagen. So let's go. Guys, we are in Tivoli Gardens right now, and it is an amusement park. So let's go. I think this is the oldest wooden roller coaster in the world. Let's see how it is. Now we are having a nice boat ride over here. We are at the bumping car right now, and it is going to be a lot of fun. It is 9:45 p.m. and it is still so bright outside. It looks like 6 o'clock in the evening. We are back in the hotel, and I just took a bath, changed my clothes, and I'm ready to sleep now. And I'm ending this vlog here. I will continue with part 2, so don't forget to check that out as well. So if you like this video, then give this video a big thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe. Till then, bye.